Hey, fourth grade, I think it's really, really important. Concrete, representational, and abstract. I've got this division thing set up, looking at it through that cycle. I like 10 frames, 10 frame paper, 10 frames. I can then say, okay, we have 9 blocks. We're going to divide them into 4 boxes. We're going to figure out how many we can put in each box. So kids are going to do it different ways. Some kids are going to just do it by ones. Right? Other kids are going to grab 2 at a time. Watch your kids, take notes, see what they're doing. See what they know. Ooh, what do we do with that one? Maybe we could split it. No, I don't think we can. What can we do with that? How do we describe that thing that's left over, that's remaining? So we had a dividend of 9, and our divisor was 4. We have a quotient, which is the answer, of 2. So if I have 9 boxes, and I'm going to put them into 4 groups, I can put 2 in a group, and I will have 1 that is left over. And oftentimes we just teach them to write it as a fraction, because technically you're not supposed to write R1. It even says that in the standards, that that's not correct mathematical notation. Everybody does it. So I don't know what we do, because everybody does it, but it's not mathematically correct. The safest bet is to write it as a fraction. All right, I saw this representation recently, and I love it. So when you're teaching division, you set it up like this, and you say to the kids, we have 9, and we're trying to figure out how many groups we can take out. So there's one group, there's another group, there's another group, there's another group. We were able to take 4 groups out of that 9, and we've got 1 left over. I mean, there's a lot of ways you can go with that conversation. I love that. The concrete. And then the pictorial here is to then draw this. I can remove this and I can draw that whole story. Concrete pictorial. So what I want you to think about is, how do you scaffold learning throughout the year so that kids are engaging concretely, pictorially, and abstractly through all of the different concepts?